What is going on, guys? It is James with another video, and today we are going to be talking about exactly what you should be selling on your Shopify store, the different price ranges, and how to go about doing that effectively so that you can scale and get to where you want to be. So with that, guys, let's get right into it. So guys, lately I've been seeing a lot of people approaching this the wrong way, and this is just my honest opinion about it. You don't have to exactly follow it, but just judging from what's worked for me, what's worked for other people, and just pouring thousands of dollars into ads, figuring out what's going to be most effective. But what I found is that lower priced products aren't always the best way to go, because it not only attracts people with not that much money, but it's not really going to provide you, in most cases, the margins that you need. But even with a good profit margin, it might not always be worth it, not just with Instagram ads, but also Facebook. Because let's say that you can only get a certain amount of orders for a specific price. Let's say with your Instagram ads that you're able to put in $10 and get $20 out, but your product cost is $5, and then you're only profiting $5 out of that entire campaign. Now, that might not be profitable long term, but what has been working really well for me is I'll have a product at about $50, and I'll have about a $30 profit before ad cost. And that has allowed me to begin scaling on Facebook, because I'm able to get purchases through Facebook anywhere between $5 and $15 depending on the audience. And that has been quite effective for me, because then I have a lot more margin, a lot more room for error regarding advertising, testing, and then that gives me a lot more time and money to be able to test exactly what's working best for me and how I can reduce my cost and really scale it even more so. That's why I don't really like free plus shipping, because it doesn't really provide me the leverage to scale and grow my business. Let's say I'm promoting a product that cost me $1 to ship out, and I'm selling it for $4 profit. Now, you can't really effectively scale that through Facebook, because the cost per purchase will most likely be quite expensive, and they go up over time. Your ad costs will go up, and you only have so many people you can target before your audience starts getting bored with your ad, and that you'll have to start targeting elsewhere, experiment with a new audience. So you don't really have leverage with those type of products at that price points. So that's what I think about exactly what type of price range you should have for your products on your store. That's just what's been working very well for me, as well as a few other fellow dropshippers. But now, moving on. Now, as far as what type of product that you should be selling, what I like to do is I like to sell products that are very popular among both men and women. You want to find a product that is trending and has momentum behind it, has a lot of social proof, has a very good conversion score on Thieve.co if you can find that, has a lot of feedback on AliExpress, a lot of positive feedback that doesn't have many issues with it, that has just a lot of great social proof behind it regarding the quality, because you don't want to be dealing with a lot of bad feedback, a lot of angry customers, if the quality of your product is not really that great after you have it shipped out. You want to find products that have good shipping times. What I will also do is I will have the product shipped to myself to see what my customers are experiencing, and I'll also take pictures of my own product so that I can have better quality photos on my store to increase my conversion rate. And just having the product and being able to see it and believe in it and use it myself has increased my ability to be able to sell it on my own store much more effectively. So that's definitely a major key there. But guys, you want to be selling stuff that you know is going to work. You want to have a product that has already gained momentum and traction and is basically guaranteed to sell. So you kind of want a product that has competition, because there's always going to be someone in a particular market, perhaps overseas or in a specific state or a specific targeting, that doesn't know about your product and that would love to have it. So one of the products that I'm selling right now, I would say is a little bit saturated, but it's very good because it has a very great conversion rate among both men and women. I'm selling it for $50. I'm basically sourcing it for only a fifth of that price. So it has a very high profit margin right now for me. And I know exactly who to sell it to, exactly who to target, the age range, the gender. And now, I mean, that's just what you gotta do. And on thief.co I made a video about this. You can find products exactly like that you can sell and mark up and that are basically guaranteed to make you a profit. Because guys, you don't want to go on AliExpress. I mean, if you have no clue what to sell, you don't want to be going on AliExpress and just importing a random pair of like clothing or shoes that you have no idea like how it's gonna sell. I mean, I see people do that and it makes me wonder, dude, are you serious? Are you serious about this whole business? Like, you're not doing your proper research or proper homework. I mean, I get it that you have no clue what to sell, but I mean, there's ways of finding products that are basically guaranteed to make you money. So why not do that? So also another way to find products that you should be selling on your Shopify store is to look at what other people are doing that is successful and try to figure out if you can do it better than them. Because I've seen a lot of products on basically influencer pages that have done well and they're repeat buying ads, and I thought, hey, I can probably sell that too, but I'm gonna put my own unique spin on it. I'm going to have way better marketing because I know how to market this product better than them. I know how to provide the consumer with a much better customer experience, much better customer service, so why not try it? And I did. And it works if you have a winning product and if you're good at marketing. So that's just one way of finding a product that you should sell. Hopefully that all makes sense. If you don't know what I mean by thief.co, if you're not familiar with that website and the whole process of finding products on there and also AliExpress, make sure you go watch my video called Live Product Research. I go over exactly how to be looking for products that are guaranteed to sell and turn you a profit, that you can mark up, be successful with, scale. So go check that out. Alright guys, that's all I've got for today's video. If you found any value and if you're new here, be sure to subscribe and also drop a like down below. Comment what you thought about the video, any suggestions for future videos, what you want to see. I upload every single day and I will see you guys tomorrow.